Suppose a certain scale is not calibrated correctly, and as a result, the mass of any object displaced is 0.75 kilogram less than its actual mass. What is the correlation between the actual mass of the set of objects and the respective masses of the same sets of objects displayed by the scale? So to answer these type of questions, suppose if the actual mass is 1 kg, so because of the defect of 0.75 kilograms, so it will be represented as 0.25 kg. So there is a deficit of 0.75. Again, say if the mass is 2 kg. So being a deficit of 0.75, so it is displayed as 1.25 kg. So as you can see that the deviation from the actual mass for all the cases is same, which is as 0.75. So the correlation in this case should be a perfect correlation of 1. So the answer to this particular question is option E, 1, because the deviation is same in all the cases from the actual mass to the displayed mass of the given objects. Thank you, students.